Today we're going to do one home remedy for babies who having flu, cold. I think it works for even coughs for babies. So we're going to take bitter leaf, vetrilay. In Tamil we call it as vetrilay, and we apply Vicks, that's Vicks baby drops. Any kind of baby drops would be fine. I've seen in the market they have garlic based, because garlic have antibacterial properties and all those anti properties. I'm not sure what else they have, but I know garlic is good, and even garlic skin will be used in most of not most in one of an practice that we have in Indian baby showering practice, when we shower the baby. Anyways, back to this. So what you do is that we want a thin layer of the Vicks being applied on the beetle, on the upper surface of the beetle leaf. Oh my god, it's hot. And you just put it upright position, and you will see the leaves will start to have a bubblish. Then we will apply that to the chest of the baby. So just you can smell the aroma. Rupal, can you smell the aroma?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Just tweak it here and there a bit. You can see the bubbles. Let me take over and zoom it. Can you see that little bubbles? Yeah, those are the Vicks. The Vicks are bubbling. Okay, back to you. Okay, you can see the leaf has turned green, and you can see the bubble. Let me show side where you can see. So the bubble on the side. Okay, I'm gonna off it now. That's Rupal. That's Choo-Choo. 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 Okay, go. So you see the leaf have expanded a bit. You'll see the air particles, air space within the leaf. So now, okay, that's Choo-Choo. Lights please, madam. Okay, test and see on your skin first if it's hot. Okay, how is it, Mr. Rupal? Fine, right? Okay, open a bit. See, from the belly button to the chest, and just press gently. If your baby is not making any noise, so the temperature is fine, you just hold it there and zip it for the whole night. So you leave that overnight. Chotu, how are you feeling? How are you feeling? Feel warm? Warm and cozy? Madam, smile. That's Chotu for you. And Chotu's daddy. Bye.